of Minnesota. And for those of you who don't know him, who are not from, let me see if I said it right, Minnesota. Am I trying to get him from a New Yorker? Or do I need some help, some support? This is a governor who is a teacher. And helped his kids figure out what genocide actually really meant. This is a governor who started with his wife. He was the social studies teacher. His wife was the English teacher. One was a member of because we are a merged state in Minnesota. One was a member of the NEA local. One was a member of the AFT. They merged together too.